the user interface up here, you know? Refresh doesn't seem to work. Okay, let's go ahead and see what she says. Perfect. Everything is not complete and running. Here's what's been accomplished. Project organization. Created organized folder structure. Beautiful. Moved all app files, server.js index, okay, into the app folder. Set up non-repo, mono-repo structure ready for your 10 to 15, 20 different apps. UI improvement. Remove the green status bar. Added timestamp display near the refresh. Okay. Documented changes. Okay. Server running. So did you in that document, did you mention our file structure of how we'll build those 1020 apps in the apps folder? And yeah, how comfortable do you feel with building our next app? Like if you read through that document and you didn't know any of this conversation. Also, can you talk about does this UI auto refresh? Because I noticed when I click the refresh data, it doesn't actually bring in the new data. It would be awesome if it auto refreshed in the background. I don't know if that's possible yet, but let me know. That's a great thing, Parth, that there's so much to do. I don't know about you, but I've been in seasons of my life where I know I've got so much skill and ambition, but I didn't have anything to do. I didn't have anything to work on. I couldn't figure out what to work on. So I'm just grateful to be at that time of life again where it's like, yeah, there's too much to do now. There's too many opportunities now. That's a blessing. That's a blessing. So grateful, grateful, grateful. Hype liquidations. Okay, let's see here. Okay, documentation is now fully updated. Let me answer all your questions. File structure is documented. Yes. The documentation has comprehensive recommended project structure section. Nice. So we got our ChatGPT apps, and we have apps, our 1020 there that goes here. Liquidations. Okay, beautiful. Shared. Beautiful. It includes running multiple apps on different ports, shared helper functions, and the reasoning for mono repo versus separate repos. Reading the doc without this conversation, I'd be very confident because it has 6 critical pitfalls with exact fixes. Would have saved us hours. Yes. You know, we've been here for a couple hours working on this, but we built a freaking app in 2 hours, dude. Like if this was a good app that 800 million people could use, literally this is a signal here that I could build a million, 10 million, 100 million thing in a couple hours, bro. Couple